Forget everything you've watched me do with bulk soil and a basement full of seedling trays. Today, I'm starting from zero. No extra trays, no bulk soil, none of it, because that's where most of you actually are. And I'm going to walk you through exactly, step by step, 2 ways to get your first seedling sale off the ground for under $50. One option gets you 100 plants for about $13. The other gets you a table that looks like you've been doing this for years for under $50. I'm going to break down both right now so you can pick your lane. I'm Michelle, and I run a 3/4 acre market garden here in North Carolina, Zone 8A, and I sell every week at my local farmer's market. If you've watched me plant out a whole bed of seedlings before and thought, well, that's easy for her, she's already got a basement full of supplies, you're right. And that's not a fair place to start you from. So today we're going to start exactly where you are, not where I am. Now, I could sit here and tell you to use yogurt cups and to-go containers out of your recycling bin. That works. Seeds don't know the difference. And if that's what your budget is allowing for right now, do it and don't feel one bit bad about it. But here's what I've learned standing behind a table. Your customer eats first with their eyes. When your plants are all in the same cup, at the same height, with the same label, that reads as somebody who knows what they're doing. Mismatched containers can read as a science project or a hobby, even when the plants inside are just as good. So I'm going to show you the cheapest version that still looks like a business. It's about $10 more than free, and that $10 is buying you a first impression. If you can swing it, swing it. But if you can't, use those free containers and put your effort into healthy plants, because that matters more than either one. Okay, so the first method is the cup method. This gets you 100 plants for about $13. Let's go through all of the phases or all of the aspects of this. The cups are 100 3-ounce plastic cups from Walmart. These are about $2.50. So you're going to need to put drainage holes in the poke them in the bottom of these cups so that you don't drown your first batch of seedlings. So 3-ounce plastic cups from Walmart, $2.50 for 100. The next will be your soil. We're going with Miracle-Gro potting soil here. I did a little bit of a quick check and I saw that I could get a 25 quart bag from Walmart around $8. It's potting soil. It's not true seed starting mix. It's a little bit heavier, but it will get your seeds up and growing just fine. For our purposes here, it's going to work just fine. The next are labels. We're going to do 100 wooden hobby sticks for about $1.70 to $2 for a package. These are uniform. They're still cheap, but they look intentional. Now your seeds are going to be Dollar Tree American seed packs. Our Dollar Tree has these for $1.25 for 4 packs. You can get your seeds anywhere else if you like, or some other place. But that's what I've got here for you in this particular scenario. Your fertilizer, you can skip it for this. You don't need it to get your seedlings up to a sellable size. So for this, you have a running total of $13.45, give or take, for 100 plants. That's about 13.5 cents per plant. So we can round up to 15 cents a cup. So I want to talk a little bit about why 3-ounce cups and not 2-ounce. A 2-ounce cup might work, but your plants will get root bound faster. 3 ounces is much closer to your standard, like nice beefy 6-pack cell. And so those seedlings will hold longer if your sale gets delayed or if you're bringing seedlings back week after week. Now, if you're actually about to sell what you grow, even out of your driveway, there's a step that many people skip and then they panic about it later. I've got a free checklist that walks you through what you legally need to have in place before your first sale. It's linked in the description below. Okay, now let's walk through your scenario number 2. This is going to look a little more pulled together, but you're not going to spend money that you don't have to. Now we're going to look into a dozen uniform 6-cell 6-packs. These are 72 cells total. These are going to be the same size, same color, about $10 to $15. For your soil, your actual seed starting mix, you could use the Miracle-Gro again for $8, or you could step it up to a small bag of your seed starting mix for $8 to $12. Now for seeds, we've got a couple different options now. Now the first option is option A. We're going to stick with those Dollar Tree packs. But option B, I'm introducing a company called MI Gardener. This company's run, it's in Michigan. It's run by a guy named Luke, and he has heirloom varieties for $3 to $4 per pack. And actually, he's running a sale. I believe they're about 25% off. He's got a pretty screaming deal right now as of this video going live. And he has a lot of interesting varieties, just a lot of great things that you can just go ahead and buy that are going to give you more variety than what your Dollar Tree will. You can market these by name at the table, but these are going to be an order ahead purchase, right? So you're not just going to be able to walk out into your Dollar Tree. You will have to go online and buy these. So they'll typically maybe take 5 to 7 days for shipping. So nothing horrible, but it's definitely not a same day buy. Now, fertilizer is still optional here. You can skip it if you want to stay lean, or you can use a small bottle of diluted general feed if you're going to grow past a few weeks. Now, your labels, plain white plastic plant markers will give you a uniform look, so it's a step up from those wooden hobby sticks. So your running total here is about $24 to $40 with Dollar Tree seeds, or $35 to right around $50 with MI Gardener. Here's why this is worth doing. Take the cut method. You're pretty much all in for around $15. It gets you 100 plants. Sell those at $2 a piece, and that's $200. And you didn't even use half your bag of soil if you bought the 25-quart soil. That's the part I want you to hear. Your next 100 plants will cost you $5.45 because the soil is already bought. Cups, sticks, seeds, that's all you have to buy. The first batch is the expensive one, if you could call it expensive, but it wasn't even that expensive. The same story is on the 6-pack side. A 72-cell tray gets you around 65 plants that make it to transplant size, and your trays can be reusable, so round 2 is almost pure profit. Either way you go, that's what you put back in to level up your business, right? So if we're starting from 0, we're going to put a little bit more in each time to make this sale even bigger. So that's it. 2 real ways to start your first seedling sale without spending money that you don't have. You know exactly what to buy, exactly where to get it, and exactly what you'll get back. There's no mystery step left. You could start this weekend. Once you've got that first sale under your belt, my Seedling Succession Guide picks up right where this leaves off. It's how you keep plants coming so you're never standing at market with an empty table. The link's in the description. I know you could have been anywhere today, but you chose to be here with me, and I really appreciate it. Bye for now.